Okay, now let's look at the emergence of new manufacturing zones. Essentially, to attract foreign investment and create jobs, many countries outside the core have established specialized industrial areas that offer benefits to international companies. These are typically called special economic zones, free trade zones, or export processing zones. All these zones have the same intention. They reduce taxes and barriers in order to attract companies away from the core and into semi-periphery countries, but I'll briefly explain each one. Special economic zones are designated areas where governments allow foreign businesses to operate with reduced taxes, fewer regulations, and faster customs processes. China's Shenzhen Special Economic Zone is one of the most famous examples, transforming from a fishing village into a global manufacturing hub in just a few decades. Free trade zones are regions where goods can be imported, manufactured, and re-exported without the usual tariffs or trade barriers. Export processing zones are zones specifically designed for industries that produce goods for export. Governments often provide cheap labor and tax breaks to companies that set up factories in these areas. While these zones create jobs and stimulate economic growth, they also raise concerns about worker rights, environmental standards, and dependency on foreign firms. Okay, now I want to give you two things to help prep you for the exam. First is a checklist that goes over everything you need to know for AP Human Geography really fast. Read through it and highlight anything you don't know yet for further study. Second, I'll send you some free response practice questions so you can get some exam-style practice. You can grab both from the link in the description. This video has been a snippet from my full 5-hour course review that'll get you exam ready. Click the video on the screen to watch the whole thing.